What is up, flight crew? You're looking at the new E66 Air Mini Drone, and I had to double check the specs on this one, because they sound absolutely insane for a drone you can practically fit in your pocket. We're talking about next level resolution and a flight distance that completely changes how you explore. 8K clarity in a 120 grams package. Let's start with the optics. The E66 boasts an 8K HD dual camera system. That is 7680 by 4320 pixels of pure, crisp detail. For a drone weighing only 120 grams, the footage quality is frankly mind-blowing. If you need pro-level cinematic quality for social media or serious editing, this camera delivers. Plus, the camera is an escape model, meaning you can adjust the angle remotely mid-flight to perfectly frame that incredible 8K shot. Beyond the horizon, 5,000 meters range. Now, let's talk about the big one, range. The E66 operates on a stable 2.4 GHz frequency, but the claimed remote distance is a massive 5,000 meters, that's 5 kilometers. This is the range we expect from high-end, $1,000 professional units. If true, this opens up unprecedented exploration possibilities, giving you the freedom to chase landscapes further than ever before. And powering that long flight is a brushless motor. Why does that matter? It means more power, less friction, quieter operation, and significantly longer motor life compared to cheaper brushed alternatives. Smart flying for beginners and experts. Despite its miniature size and pro specs, the E66 is built for smart, safe flight. It features visual avoidance, an intelligent system that helps prevent collisions by sensing objects in its path. This is a critical feature, especially when flying far away, protecting your drone during those long-distance maneuvers. The package also includes integrated propeller guards, and the flight time comes in at a respectable 14 minutes. The stability systems and the intuitive display control on the remote mean you don't even need your smartphone to fly, you can see your view right on the controller. In summary, the E66 Mini Drone is a potent blend of portability and performance. It's got an 8K camera, a professional brushless motor, smart obstacle avoidance, and an unbelievable 5 kilometers range. What location would you explore first if you could fly 5 kilometers away? Let me know in the comments.